Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me how they could make a rectangle that they do with their pen tool or the rectangle tool, two different colors, one side black, one side red. Well, if you go to Object and you convert that to a curve, and then take your Shape tool and select that node, right-click and break it apart. Select that node, right-click and break it apart. Now, but what you have to do is select the whole thing, go up to Object and break the curve apart. Now these are individual lines and we can make it red. Now they're not joined, so I don't know that you can join them without changing the colors. Let's hold down the Shift key, right click, and well, we can't even do that. Let's go to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and see it's going to make it all red. So to do that, the only suggestion I would have would be to take this one line and make it longer. And you just have to manually kind of play with that. And whenever you get that close, you could grab the Shape tool, make your nudge distance something little like 0.01, go back to your Shape tool, grab that line, click on that node and make it blue. Whoop, even 0.01 is too little. Let's go 0.001. Whoop. Take the Shape tool, highlight that node, and just move it over. And then you basically have two lines, and the same thing on the other side, and you could do the black. No, you're gonna have to do the red because it's on top. Because I don't think we can select this, go to Object, Order, back a page. See, it's gonna mess up both of them. I think I've got to figure out how to maybe do that. But anyway, that's how you would do two lines. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.